best part of this weekend has been just hanging out with friends and learning so much more about God. The team competitions are so fun. There's so much snow at Muskoka Woods and I love playing for my team. This afternoon I went tubing and cross-country skiing. My favorite song from this weekend was Reckless Love. I really enjoyed the speaker this weekend because he had a great accent and he really invited you to come sit at God's table. I'm so glad my church is a part of this retreat. It's the highlight of my year.
If there's an open way, I'll just run, while everything else fades and turns to dust. We're searching to find a way from here. We'll follow our souls into the night. Let's disappear, 'cause wherever we go, love is on our side. Keep rolling like the waves and crash the sand. With every word you say, in faith we stand. Rising like flames to clouds of smoke, reaching new heights. We'll breathe in the sun and feel the glow, like we're touching the sky. Love is on our side.
God will do everything to strip down who He is, to come into this world and find us, and He became like us to rescue us. You see, what Jesus was doing for individuals like Zacchaeus, He was going to one day do for the whole world and for you and for me.